Hi guys, I'm Limel Bitsunyo, 18 years old, from BSHM Monday. Lesson 1, the web. The World Wide Web consists of the interconnected documents known as web page, text and graphic image. It also includes hypertext links and lead to related Web 1.0 was the early stage of the internet that only allowed users to read information primarily focusing on companies' homepage and using tables to arrange elements on web page. Web 1.0 feature includes Web 1.0 feature includes static content, limited integrity, and a lack of standards. This version of the web was mainly read-only, which restricted user interactions at basic HTML page directories and portals. Web 2.0, on the other hand, introduced the more interactive and collaborative web user-generated content. Users have more control over their data, engage in social media contribution through blogs, and interact with the dynamic web page by commenting the creating accounts. Example. Web 2.0 case features include taxonomy for organizing information with keywords, a rich user interface that is responsive to user input, user participation, truth concept of service offered based on demands.
My discussion is about the key features of Web 2.0. First is the taxonomy. Taxonomy allows users to categorize and classify or arrange information using freely chosen keywords. The second one is rich user interface. Content is dynamic and is responsive to users' input. An example would be a website that shows local content. This is the long tail. Long-tail services are offered on demand rather than a one-time purchase. This is synonymous to subscribing to a data plan that changes you for the amount of time you spend on internet, or data plan that charges you from the amount of bandwidth you use. As the user's participation. The owner of website is not the only one who is able to put content. Others are able to place a content on their own by means of comments, reviews, and evaluation. Web 3.0. It means read, write, intelligence web. Web 3.0 will be more connected, open, and intelligent with semantic web technologies, distributed database, natural language processing, machine learning, machine reasoning, autonomous agents. So, it is a web
is the largest computer network in the world that connects billions of computer users. The word internet comes from combination between interconnection and network. Network is a collection of computers and devices connected via communication channels and transmission media, allowed to share resources like hardware, software, data, and information. Generally, nobody owns the internet. Major components of the internet: servers serve as a computer programs that provide services to other computer programs and users. Different types of servers include application server for business logic, web server for serving HTML pages, proxy server that acts as an intermediary, mail server for receiving and forwarding emails, file server for central data storage and management, policy saver for security service, and policy-based network. Internet protocol. Internet protocol address is a numerical label assigned to each device, providing identity to network devices. Next is a browser. A browser is an application program that allows users to access and view information on the internet. Browsers like Google Chrome, Safari, Internet Explorer, and Opera, along with Mozilla, are examples of web browser used to access the internet. Next is a domain name system or DNS, function as the phone book of the internet, allowing us to access information online through domain names like www.facebook.com, www.pop.edu.ph, and www.academia.edu. The different domain extensions, CAM, org, NEP, edu, gov, ph, serve specific purposes such as commercial, organization, network, education, and identification of countries like the Philippines and Australia. Internet service providers, ISP, are organizations that provide services for accessing, using, or participating in the Internet. There are two main types of ISP, including national ISP that offer Internet access within a specific geographic area and regional ISP that supply Internet services in cities and towns nationwide. Popular ISP includes Sky Broadband, PLDT, and Converge.
The example of uses of Internet is number 1, look for information. Number 2, school, works, job, and home purposes. Number 3, send and receive electronic mails. Number 4, video teleconference like video call, video chat. Number 5, buy and sell products. Number 6, social networking. Number 7, watch and post. The Internet terms and definition. Number 1, Internet, a global network of thousands of computer network linked by data lines and wireless system. Number 2, webs or collection of billions of web pages that you can view a web browser. The most common method of